Hi, Brandon Reagan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2020 Catalina 212 RBS. So to start off, it's a wood frame trailer with metal siding. You're going to have room for 2 batteries and 2 propane tanks here. Solar on the side. You're going to have a pass-through storage over here, and then a big giant power awning, probably about 16 feet long. So it's going to have LED lights underneath the power awning, a little bit more storage, and it is a double axle trailer. So double axle is going to help in case the unlikely event of you blow in a tire or to hold more weight, more carrying capacity. Big granite grab handle as we come inside. Just to the right, you're going to see you have a double entrance into your walk-around bed, which is nice because you don't have to crawl over anybody. And then you've got nice wardrobe storage on both sides and above. Room for a TV in the bedroom and a TV right over here. You're going to have your DVD, CD Jensen system. And this is a unique feature here. So this folds over and you have a bunk that comes out that an adult can fit on. So if this area, the futon style couch isn't big enough, you have a bunk that's going to fold down over that as well. So you can sleep a couple of more people. Nice big booth dinette. It's got a super slide on it. 3-burner stove, which is kind of unique in a trailer this size. And then lots of storage, cutting board here. Storage below the sink and up above. Big double sink, microwave, and a big Nor cold freezer and fridge. As we go back here, you've got a lot of space to put popcorn, canned goods, things that you're going to want for your camping. And then more space for wardrobe and such things right in here where you can keep your jackets and things in case the weather starts to act up. I'll let you come around and you'll see you have a nice big bathroom. Even a bigger guy like me could fit in there. So this is the 2020 Catalina Summit Series 212 RBS. If you have any further questions, contact Brandon Reagan at 541-214-0223. Have a great day.